our third episode on our COVID-19 saving money and tips and hacks for our riding schools. So we've decided to rather make it a 3-part series as we can fit in most of the tips and tricks into this last episode. And I thank you guys so much for your support and watching us and supporting the products that we did tell you about. And I really do hope that the tips and tricks will help you to save some money each month. So let's get into it. Okay, so our first topic will be on blanketing because it's time to blanket our horses. I know most of our horses that do graze outside, and if you have followed these tips and tricks, your horses are probably into routine right by now in your grazing and your sectional grazing and taking them out earlier and bringing them in a bit later. So I would suggest don't go and buy your ponies, especially your school ponies, thick blankets and expensive blankets. There is a load of DIY ways to make your own blankets if you can sew, even if you can sew by hand. The easiest way would be a fleece blanket to just pop it over at night. Remember, horses don't get as cold as we do. You should do yourself a favor, and I'll put it up on the screen as well so you can see when a horse is actually feeling cold. So you can check your temperatures at home and see when your horse is actually feeling cold. Our next topic is on skin treatments, because we all know that bloody fungal infection that spreads between our horses when we do have a riding school, because we don't always have the time to clean our brushes, as we do have a busy schedule. It's a lot of horses to handle, and with them grazing you cannot control any of that at all. You can't control dust mites, you can't control grass mites, something you cannot control. It's just something out of our way, and it's ways and means of controlling it. Anyway, to get past the controlling part, I do still recommend the HFS products because they do really work the best. I have proof that my own mare got ringworm a while back, and we applied the HFS shampoo on her, which was actually only a sample. It worked the first time around. So if you do need to stock up on your emergency pack for any medical treatments, if you want to go the natural route, that is your best product to go to. Unless you have anything else that you do know that works, I would recommend having it on hand, since we are getting to winter now, so those things will start popping up a bit more. Okay guys, so we have come to the last part of our series on the COVID-19 money saving tips for you guys, and I really do hope that it helps the riding schools to save some money up. And then also I've attached the links below so you can see where we got all the information from, and as well as some products that you need in your emergency kit at home when you cannot get the vet out immediately. And then I've also attached the HFS product list down below so you know where to go when you do have the money to stock up on some good products that will help your horses. So thanks guys for tuning in, and please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and it really helps us a lot. I hope to see you next time. Bye.